Hi everybody, Jon Addison here again, and we're going to talk about how to do this water right here. As you can see, it comes out really nice, and we use this product right here by DAP called Crystal Clear Caulking. Okay, we're going to get started. Hello folks, we're back, and I'm going to show you now in this little boat diorama I have that I've colored all the water already underneath there. And I'm going to put some dabs of caulk here, and now I'm going to spread it with my brush like so. And the more caulk you put down, of course, the longer it takes to dry, and also the bigger your waves will be. And you get more of a gnarly look. This is what you do right here. Now the beauty of this thing is that you can later on come back in an area, maybe you're doing a big harbor or something, you can come back and add docks and stuff just by putting down more caulk and pressing the docks right into the wet caulking. And then it'll look just like it comes out of the water when you're done. So it's very easy to do. You can see some other areas here. This will all dry clear everywhere. And then I'll come back and show you later on how we finish it. And we'll get back with that in just a little bit when this is dry. Hey everyone, we're back. And I'm going to talk to you now about how to finish off these this water situation that we have here. And as you can see, this is we had to wait for the caulk to dry, which took about 24 hours to dry really well. This product right here is what we're going to use now to seal it. It's Mod Podge, but it's a super brilliant Mod Podge, and I find this works the best. I take the top off here. Put a little on my brush, and I'll just do this little area right here. And the brush is good for like getting in amongst the rocks and all that kind of stuff. And the nice thing about this product is it dries fairly quick. About an hour from now it'll be dry. Where I don't need a brush, I'll usually rub it in with my fingers, kind of not real vigorous, but just kind of slow, kind of move it all around like that right there. And the great thing about this is if you want to rejuvenate your water, then all you need to do is use some of this, and you can rejuvenate any of your water you've already done with it. You just take a soft rag and you clean it off with some distilled water, and then when that's done, you come back and just use the Mod Podge over the top of it. And here is an example of Mod Podge over the top of the caulking. This right here is a polyfiber that we use to make waterfalls, especially waterfalls where you push this into the wet Mod Podge. And then over here you can see the same thing, and you can see the depth of the water. And of course here's an example of an alpine type lake that I did earlier. You can see the importance of coloring, the shading, and all that stuff. That's very important before you put any caulk or anything else on it. So that concludes our clinic, and I hope you guys learn something and go out and have some great modeling.